Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures. In that exercise 9.2, first problem. So first problem is a rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 cm by 25 cm. From it 56 circular buttons, each of diameter 3.5 cm have been cut out. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So let's take a rectangular sheet like this, and in this we have 56 circular buttons like this. Let's take 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this up to 56 buttons we have. So let's take the length of the rectangular is 36 centimeters and breadth is 25 centimeters. They gave 36 into 25, so we can take it as L into B. So it is the measurements of rectangular sheet. So in this we have circular buttons, each circular button like this. Here they give diameter of the circle is 3.5 centimeters. So this is the diameter. Now we have to find the area of remaining sheet. How we will get means total 56 buttons area we have to subtract from the total rectangular sheet area, then we get the remaining sheet area. So let's see the solution for this problem. So first we have to find the area of the rectangular sheet. So area of the rectangular equal to, we all know the formula for area of rectangle is L into B, that means length into breadth. Here they give area of rectangle, AR means area of rectangle equal to L equal to 36 into breadth equal to 25. So 36 into 25 equal to, here I am doing rough right side of the page. So 36 into 25. 5 6 is 30, 5 3 is 15 plus 3 18 into 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 2 is 9. So we get 900 centimeters square. Next we have to do the area of the circle. Here they give circle diameter, so we can find area of the circle. So area of each button which is in the shape of circle equal to, we all know the formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. We all know D equal to R plus R, that means 2R. So from this R equal to D by 2. So we can substitute in above formula, then we get AB means area of button, pi into D by 2 whole square, then we get pi D square by 4. So we can also write the area of circle for diameter is pi D square by 4. So here area of each button equal to pi into, here D is 3.5 whole square by 4. Since here we know D equal to 3.5 centimeters. We all know the constant value pi is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. 7 1s are, here 7 5s are 35, so you can write 0.5. So what we get means 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 by 2. I am doing rough right side of the page. So first 3.5 into 0.5. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. Here we have point before 2 digits, so we have to put 1.75 we get. Then into 11, 1.75 into 11 we get 175 into 175. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 7 plus 2 is 9, 1. So point before 2 digits, then we get 19.25 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. We can take point, then we get 2 5s are 10. Point before 3 digits. So we get the area of each button is 9.625 centimeter square. So this 9.625 centimeter square is the area of each button. So total how many buttons we have means 56 buttons. So we have to find the total 56 buttons area. So area of 56 buttons equal to 56 into each button area, that means 9.625. So here 9.625 into 56. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37, and 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57 into 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, and 5 9s are 45 plus 6 48. 0 5 5 10, 7 8 9 plus 1 10, 7 8 9. 8 plus 5 is 9 10 11 12 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. So here we have point before 3 digits. We have to put point before 3 digits. Then we get 539. So 539 centimeter square is the total area of 56 buttons. So now what we have to do means we have to find the area of the remaining sheet after we cut out 56 buttons. So when we subtract the area of total 56 buttons from the area of the rectangle, then we get the remaining part area. So therefore area of the remaining sheet equal to area of the rectangular sheet or rectangle minus area of total 56 buttons which are in circular shape. So here we know the value of area of rectangular is 900 minus area of 56 buttons is 539. Now we have to do subtract. 900 minus 539 is 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So we get 361 square centimeter or centimeter square. So this is the solution for this problem. 900 minus 539 is 361. So we can write therefore area of the remaining sheet equal to equal to 361 centimeter square or square centimeter. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.